Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, we have exciting news. Yes, good news for you. Not only is Vybz Kartel's album doing extremely well, topping all charts we could have thought of. All of the charts, them internationally and locally, the album is topping and doing extremely well on those charts. Now, for fans of Vybz Kartel's reality series, which was called The Teacher's Pet, which was the biggest dancehall reality series ever on TV. We see Beanie tried to do a kind of reality series of his own. It never really worked out, and that reality series was pushed by VH1, the same station we bring on love and hip hop, all the different areas from New York to Atlanta, to you name the places, and them still could make it work with Beanie. No doubt them would want link up with Vybz Kartel. Now the Palmers, viewers and subscribers, is the title of this latest reality series, and Shorty confirmed that the creation of the reality show with her kids entitled The Palmers and the production of said series has already begun. However, the release date for the series has not been announced as yet, viewers and subscribers, but she said we can look out to see Shorty herself and her 3 children. First one, Jayden Palmer, aka Little Vybz, Akil Palmer, aka Little Addy, Iko Palmer, aka World Boss Junior. Definitely somebody have a presence on camera. Even every time you see Iko, him look like him. I said, Jano, camera again. If have that energy, they like him already. I said, I just a part of the superstar settings. Now, alright, you're going to say a word to the people. Him definitely have energy. We are look forward to see it, viewers and subscribers. This is definitely exciting news. We all know. Or for those who don't, Teacher's Pet definitely showcased another side of dancehall music, showing that not only is dancehall music viable on stage, but the lifestyles of popular artists are something that viewers would readily watch on screen. Right here upon the platform, we know that. You know what I mean? Because whether it's the beside the scenes, you know, we don't go behind the scenes, we don't go see that over here. So. But if I even the beside the scenes of the music videos, certain interviews, when you see the reaction to these things, you say, you know, the people that want to know what's happening beside the music. How is life been now for you since you have become a star and things of that nature. A reality series in a dancehall music would be something loved by the fans, and Teacher's Pet is proof of that. Yes, once that certain artists, and any artist can do it. Think about it. And every artist who want to know what's going on in them life anyway. They don't look like them live somewhat of an exciting life anyway. It have a certain level of excitement. In a dancehall music, we know one artist from what's a reality TV series. People want to watch it. Vybz Kartel, of course. If we got documentary, people want to watch it. If the teacher publish a book, people want to read it. They want to know the thoughts of the artist. The artist is a creative and an innovator in a dancehall music. No doubt, he was the one who said, "Watch you know, I feel like I could do a reality TV series." And remember when we see all these trips all across the world? Yes, those events were filmed. They were things that we didn't show. You know what I mean? Yeah, we just never shown them things there because the production, you know, there's something go. Those scenes will be added. Definitely a good look, exciting moment. You know what I mean? If you see the youth, them, remember them go Paris, them go Panama, them go, yo, the amount of place where them go. Now short space at time, like a world tour, you know, almost. Yeah, them circle a whole heap of place, even though it wasn't for shows, but them definitely go over the link up with producers. You know what I mean? Certain links had to be made. We have drop an album for the Grammys. You know what I mean? You have to meet with certain people and show them say, Ray. Remember, she's not only a mother of 3, she's also a CEO of one of Jamaica's biggest record label currently, because 2 of dancehall's biggest album record label was a part of their release. So, you know, definitely a good look. Music mogul in the making. Yo, Iko, little Vybz. We can't even say stars in the making. It is not stars in the making. Them not in the womb. them dep on the road. These are stars among stars. Dancehall career. And for Iko, right now, music, if that is his passion, because you can't limit someone's creativity. Suppose he no want to be a musician. Then if he no want to be an artist, I won't even say, we support him endeavors, anything he want to take up. Remember, his parents never steer him in the right way. So any other endeavors him choose, any other career path him choose to say, watching that nigga be. Suppose him see the situation with him father and decide, say, no, me want to be a lawyer. So me can be an advocate for justice. We don't know. But we definitely support a move like that. Because we need more lawyers we have that in mind. So, whichever endeavors him choose to take up, the support is 100%. And music, we already say the door is wide open. If him decides say more on the music a morning, we're gonna hear a song from Iko. Yeah? If him decides say more on the music, if him say me, you know, I just want to record a song for so it feels to go record a song, we know where to go. And just that energy and that vibe, seeing that on screen in a reality series, people are gonna gravitate to it. It have all the makings that make it a family show. Remember, the mother, single mother, all Jamaicans can relate. Single mother. Even if you are in a union with your spouse and not raise children together as how it should be, you know have someone who is a single mother. So it's something that you can relate to as well. The youth can relate to the youth. Especially if you see them pursuing their dreams and their aspirations. That'll be something very motivating. You see young people who remind other young people of themselves, seeing their passion and the fact that they might move forward towards their dreams. That is very inspirational, motivational, even for the youth themselves. You know what I mean? And a lot of different gems can be added in. Because you know, a reality series isn't scripted. It is more improv. You know what I mean? Some people that say it sound like them do it. Improv means say you improvise on scenes. And no doubt, if you say something that somebody that say, you know, say enough to say that statement there, the scene will be done again or deleted. So that's why improv might seem like, or it look like that scene was rehearsed. Because them actually do back the scene over again. So it's almost like I say something to you and you did shock. But I change the word of what I say. Sometimes on the thing I can voice it over. Sometimes some people just choose to run the scene again. And when the scene is run again, then that is why it looks scripted. But I just improv and them I do it over. So that's, it's correct for film or on screen. So that anybody can watch it. Remember, say certain platforms now allow you for. You know what I mean? Say certain things, make certain statements. Certain things can be bleeped out. Certain conversations for whole people say, this is not something for the public ears. And, things of that nature. So sometimes you have to just dub it over or reshoot the scene. But reality show title The Farmers, definitely a good look. Me excited. Me I wait for you the release date of this. Definitely something excited in the works. And want to see who ever pick it up. Last time we know say major local television conglomerate that work with the teacher upon Teacher's Pet. Now I mean Milk was the executive producer upon that. She had the links in at the CVM field. You know what I mean? And then we start work with the production. I don't know if VH1 for link up. If VH1 for link up and put the Palmers on screen to North America, you know the level. We don't know who locally I got ready they want. You know what I mean? We know say right away both TVJ and CVM with a love to the teacher bring the project to them and show them the pilot and say you run the pilot and see the reaction and we'll work with you. But who I bring the better deal, who your brother could work with. You know what I mean? Sometimes when you sign up, go into a partnership, you have to really work out what someone else brings to the table. And is the working situation going to be for you? You don't want to create added stress when you go through a creative process. Especially, being on film when every aspect of your life is being filmed, talked about, documented, rehearsed, vlogged about. It's not go easy, Yeah, you might just put on the wrong shoes and say the wrong thing and people say, what she say? How she say that? Yeah, so, you don't want added stress while going through that process. So, we'll see what go on. As we say, she said already, filming has already begun. And for people who don't know, it's not all the time the TV show, you the budget to go film the pilot. Sometimes you film your own pilot and you bring it to them, pitch the idea and then them work with it, and that's where the other influx of cash forward is. And that's where them start to make them changes to as well. To edit it so that it's presentable for TV. And them kind of really know the do's and the don'ts. Vice the one called Jayden, she's the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the movement, new to the channel, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there too. Drop a like on the platform, a like with your share icon is also in close proximity. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. Check out channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. You know the settings, fam. First and foremost, my sentiments for you and yours, gonna live, love and prosper until we reason again.